viewers, welcome back to Uncle Tractor's Playhouse. Today we've got a very special guest. He's the diplomatic attaché to the Russian Department of Tourism. I'd like to introduce you to Mr. Igor Loves to Water Ski. Welcome to the show, Igor.
Thank you for being welcome to Tractor Playhouse. Tractor, a very weird name. In Russia, we drive tractor to shop to get vodka. I like being in the Gorgon. It doesn't roll off tongue like Vladivostok.
So you come from Vladivostok?
No, I'm from Leningrad. People from Vladivostok like people from Queensland. They're all undesirable, all have 6 toes and speech impediment.
Are you right, Igor? Can I get you a cup of coffee or anything?
No, niet, no coffee. I bring drink from IGA. Love IGA vodka. It's beautiful. Have beautiful wife in Russia.
Oh, so you married then?
Her name is Svetlana Rudazasov. I win in raffle. Second prize. First prize be bottle of vodka.
Oh, you got a picture of your wife?
She very beautiful. Very strong, not so intelligent. She can lift cow, but cannot spell. Oh, get fucked.
So Igor, what do you think about our music? Have you caught up with any of the music scene while you've been in Golgong?
Yes, I like your rock and rolling music. I love the Shannon Knoll. He has a big black shiny car. He should have won Australian Idol, not that Guy Sebastian with his Afro man hair.
So you're not a Guy Sebastian fan?
And his girly lyrics. He make my ears hurt.
What about the wildlife, Igor? Have you caught up with any of the wildlife since you've been out here?
Yes, I see kangaroo everywhere dead on side of road. Oh, disgusting. But I would really like to see one of your, what is Platyopus. I believe it tastes a little bit like between ducky and yellow belly fishy.
Oh, fucking noise. Is there anything else you'd like to see before you go back to Russia, Igor?
Yes, I would like to visit up on your flirtation hill. I got my thrills on flirtation hills. And then we go back to IGA to get more vodka. Yeah. Oh, very good. He's good. He's vodka. We go back to IGA.
Thanks very much for being on the show, Igor, and all the best with your endeavours. Okay, viewers, that's all we've got time for today. But join us next week. We've got 2 more special guests on the show. We've got the Queensland Premier, Anastasia Palaszczuk, and her Chief Health Medical Officer, Dr. Jeanette Young. And they're going to explain to us why they shut the whole state of Queensland down for 2 locally acquired cases of dandruff. Cheers.
Yes, thank you for letting me be on your Tractor's Playhouse. Maybe later on we do some wife swappy, yeah?
Oh, nah, mate. I don't think the missus will be into it.
Your wife has beautiful melons. We swap wife? No, niet. Maybe I swap Svetlana for a bottle of vodka. Yeah.
Oh, she's beautiful. He's the diplomatic attaché to
Dirty Rusky, take one.
G'day viewers, welcome back to Uncle Tractor's Playhouse. Today we've got a very special guest. This is a... What is that fucking word I'm after? And don't start rooting it. Hey, you take it up to stop. Queensland Premier Anastasia Palachuk and her Chief Health Officer Jeanette Young. And they're going to explain to us why they shut the whole state of Queensland down for 2 locally acquired cases of dandruff. Cheers. Except for that
Beautiful.
fucking dog up. Now there's a reason for this. We didn't do the snapper bit. Oh, we can put it in later on from that one. The dog isn't in it.
No.
G'day viewers, welcome back to Uncle Tractor's Playhouse. Today on Uncle Tractor... No, stay, it's alright.
Take 2.
G'day viewers, welcome back to Uncle's Tractor's Play.
For fuck's sakes, what the fuck are you doing?
I'm getting a cramp.
G'day viewers, welcome back to Uncle Tractor's Playhouse.